While in Yerevan, I only had 48 hours left on my trip, and I still had one spot I needed to cross off my list, Tatev. So I started doing some research, and the fastest way to get there is through an organized tour. As I was walking around the streets of Yerevan, I came across this kiosk that had the exact tour I was looking for. So I booked the tour, and then I carried on with my day to explore Yerevan. Yerevan has 1,500 fountains, out of which 1,457 are drinking fountains, and 51 statues. That tells you something about this city's fascination with art. And you will definitely notice this while going up the Cascade Complex or the popular steps of Yerevan. There are statues and fountains everywhere, and the view from the top is simply amazing. We departed from Yerevan at 7 a.m. and our first stop was Khor Virap, a monastery with an epic view of Ararat Mountain. After taking these beautiful drone shots, I had to explore the monastery, and it was very spiritual. The chapel with the sunlight passing through the window was simply like a movie scene. And I just kept touching everything. And it was as if I was touching history itself. Our next stop was Arpa Parnas Wine Factory. This wine factory had a beautiful canyon right next to it. And now we are off to the main destination, which is Tatev. And during the drive, the landscape structure completely changed. And then we finally reached Tatev Monastery.